In this video, I am going to show you how to download, install, and use Revanced Manager app on any Android phone. First, visit the Revanced Manager official website. Tap on the download button. Now at the next page, tap on this button and download the Revanced Manager app. Now to set up the app successfully, we also need the MicroG service app, which helps it function properly. Simply visit the official release page, tap on the download button. Now from here, download the application version according to your device. Once you download both apps, simply navigate to the Downloads folder and install them on your device. Now open the Revanced Manager app, allow all the permissions, then hit OK, so it will download all the necessary files. Tap on Patcher, then go to Select an app. From here you can patch an installed app, or you can import an APK of any app you obtained from a trusted source. Now what we have to do is tap on the suggested option. You can visit any of the links. I am going to open the first link. Then we have to download the APK file. Once you download the APK file, now to patch the app, go to Patcher, then go to Select an app, then tap on the storage option. And from here, we have to select the downloaded app which you want to patch. Once you select the app, simply hit the patch option and the app starts patching. It may take 2 to 3 minutes. Once the app is patched, simply tap on Install and the application will start installing on your device. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.